Good evening, guys. Welcome back. Welcome back with the fourth and last puzzle in additional of today's newspaper on Monday. Yes, it's still Monday, June the 17th, 2024, and I've already solved three puzzles: the 3 stars and the 4 star Sudoku, the binary, and it's time now for the Jigsaw Sudoku. Jigsaw Sudoku number 8739. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. 14 printed digits. This one has 14. Well, should be an easy one because because the hard ones has always 8, 9, or 10 printed digits. This one has 14. I think it's a 1 star, maybe 2 stars, maybe 0 stars. I don't know, but it's indicated with 4 stars. For 4 stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit. 30 minutes or more. This is really a 4 stars. We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box? Because the single box is always a 1. Here single box, there single box, always a 1. Next question, do we have here dual boxes? I see here, 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 and there dual box. The dual box contains the 1 and the 2. Well, the 1 is already given, so this box should be 2. Here also the 1 and the 2, but I do not know in which order, so let me mark those 2 boxes. Same for here, do not know in which order. And same for there. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Next question, do we have here triple boxes? I see here 1 triple box. Contains the 1, the 2, and the 3. Well, these 2 boxes can be 3. So 1 box left for 3 in this triple box should be there. So the 1 and 2 are left. And when you see a triple box, remember that the box near the middle box, the inside box is always 4 or a 5. Alright. Next question, do we have here quadra boxes? Contains the 1, the 2, 3, and the 4. No quadra boxes here. Well, then my next strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. For example, this shape. Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Alright. Only 1. Yeah. Then the following shape. How about? Yeah. How about this shape then? Let me draw the shape here. When you see this kind of shape, the Z construction. If you rotate this to the right side, you will get the Z. If you flip this and mirror this, you will get the S. It's the same shape. Alright, but when you see the Z construction, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. But also that box has the same number as this box. So that box has the same number as this box. Okay, the Z construction. Then the following shape. How about this shape then? Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. In this case, it's a 1 here. Alright. Here another 1, but rotated. This box has the same number as that box. Here another 1, upside down. This box has the same number as that box. Here another 1. This box has the same number as that box. And then the following shape. How about this shape then? Let me draw the shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember. Oh, here another 1. This box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Here another one. This box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 1 or a 2 here. Alright. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize. In this puzzle, we have here 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. Maximum 6. Not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 4 of them that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get started filling those numbers. Oh, I forgot this one. Same shape as this one. This box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 1 here. Overlooked. That's a lot of this kind of shapes. Alright. Now we can start. These 3 boxes surround 1 can be 1. These 3 boxes surround 1 can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. It's supposed to be here. 1 and a 2. We have 1 now, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 2 goes in there. And then, let me see. Let me see. Well, these 2 boxes can be a 2. These 2 boxes can be a 3. So 2 and 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and 3, 2 and 3. We have a 3 there. No 3 there. 3 should be here. 2 goes there. Alright. 1 and a 2. We have a 1 now. No 1 there. 1 should be here and a 2 goes in there. 2 numbers left in this area. 4 numbers 4 and 5. 4 and 5. Let me mark those. This box can be 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area. It's supposed to be here. So 2 numbers left, the 4 and the 5. Let me mark those. These 3 boxes surround the 3 can be a 3. So 3 could be here, could be there. These 3 boxes surround the 4 can be 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. Well. These 3 boxes surround a 1 can be a 1. So, and that box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Supposed to be here. These 2 boxes surround a 5 can be a 5. So the 5 could be here, could be there. I think this box should be a 2. Because it can be 1. Should be a 2. Can be 3. Can be 4. We have a double 4 there. Can be 5. We have a double 5 there. Yeah, definitely a 2. Okay, 2 numbers left in this area for the numbers 2 and the 4. 2 to 4. Well, let me mark those. It's connected with that box, which is 2 and 4. It's connected with this box, 2 and 4. It's connected with that box, which is also 2 and 4. These 2 boxes can be a 1 or a 2. We have a double 1 there, double 2 there. So the 1 and the 2 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. The other pair in this area are the numbers 3 and 4, 3 and 4. Now we have a double 4 here. That means that this box can be a 4 anymore. If I place a 4 here, I cannot fill any 4 in one of those 2 boxes. So this box should be a 2 then. It's connected with that box, should be also 2. It's also connected with that box, should be also 2. It's connected with this box, should be also 2. 1 box left in this area for number 4. Then, let me see. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and the 3. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 3 goes there. Then. Let me see. No 4 here. Let me go up. These 2 boxes surround 1 can be 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Well, it's not the solution. Place the 1 here. If I place the 1 here, this box is connected with that box, should be also 1. But we already have a 1 here. So not the solution. Place the 1 there. The only place left for the 1 should be here. Alright. Let me think. 1, 2, 4, 3, or a 5. Yeah. This box can be 1, can be 2, can be a 4. It's in the same area, so 2 numbers left, 3 and a 5. Is connected with that box, so 3 and a 5, but we already have a 3 here, so it can be 3 and more. This box should be a 5. Is connected with that box, should be also 5. Okay. 4 and the 5. We have a 5 now, so no 5 there. 5 should be here. 4 goes there. Yeah. 2 numbers left in this area. For numbers 2 and a 5. No, 2 and a 4. 2 and a 4. I cannot place the 2 there because we have a double 2 there. If I place 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 2 supposed to be here and the 4 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 4, so 1 box left for 4 in this area. Supposed to be here. 2 numbers left in this area. For numbers 2 and a 5. Let me mark those 2 and a 5. 2 and a 5. Then, well, needed 2 here. Let me think. This box can be 3, so 3 could be here, could be there. This box can be 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. And the 2 could be everywhere. Yeah. Let me think. 4 to 5. 4 to 5. No 1 here. No 5 here. Come on. This is taking too long. 1. This box can be 3, so 3 could be here, could be there. Means that this box can be 3. This box can be a 4. We have a double 4 there, so the 4 could be here, could be there. And I need a 3 here, could be everywhere. Well, I'm stuck here. 4 and a 5. 1 and a 2. These 2 boxes can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be here. That means that those 2 boxes can be a 1. We have a double 1 there. So the 1 could be here, could be there. 1. I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely 5. Is connected with that box, should be also 5. I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3. We have a double 3 there. Should be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely 4 is connected with that box. Should be also 4. Okay. Now, this box cannot be a 2. We have a 2 there. So the 2 could be here, could be there. I need a 3 here also. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and the 2. Well, I don't think this should be a 1, otherwise it will be unclosed. Yeah, and I need to trigger those numbers. So this can be a 1, then it's unclosed. So not the solution, place the 1 there, the only place left the 1 should be here. So 2 numbers left, the 2 and the 3. 2 and the 3. 2 and the 3. Is connected with that box. 2 and the 3, okay. 2 and 3, 2 and 5, 1 and a 2. We have a 1 now, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, the 2 goes there. 2 or 3, we have a 2 now, so this box should be a 3. Is connected with that box, should be so 3. 1 box left in this Z construction for number 2. 2 and 3, we have a 2 now, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 2 and 5, we have a 2 now, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 5 goes there. I marked those two boxes earlier with 1. We have 1 now, so this can be 1 anymore. That box will be 1, and I've eliminated here the 3, so the 3 goes there. 1 box left in this area for number 2. Okay, 4 and 5. Need to wait. Here also 4 or a 5. This box can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, so 2 numbers left and 4 and 5. Okay. So this can be 3 anymore. Okay, 1, 4, and 5. 1 and a 5. I think this box should be a 5 because can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely 5. Then let me see. This box can be 4. This box can be 5. So the 4 and the 5 goes in those two boxes as a pair. So if we eliminate here the 1, so the 1 goes there. These two boxes can be 1, so and that box can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Supposed to be here, and if eliminated here the 4, so the 4 goes there. 4 and 5, we have 4 now, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 5 goes there. 4 and a 5, we have a 4 now, so no 4 there. 4 should be here. 5 goes there. Alright, and now these 3 boxes. Surround 1 can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Supposed to be here. 1 and a 2. We have 1 now. No 1 there. 1 should be here. The 2 goes there. Is connected with that box. Should be so 1. 1 box. 1 or 2. We have a 1 now. So this can. I've eliminated here the 2. So the 2 goes there. 3 to 4. Need to wait. This box can be a 5, but also that box can be a 5. We have a double 5 there. If you place a 5 here, I can fill any 5 in one of those two boxes. So the only place left for 5 in this area. Supposed to be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 to 4. 3 to 4. Okay. Here 2 numbers left in this area for the numbers 2 and a 3. 2 and a 3. Okay. Oh, now we have a 5 here, so this box can't be 5 anymore. That box will be a 5. And if eliminated here the 4, so the 4 goes there. 1 box left in this area for number 3. 3 to 4, we have a 3 now, so no 3 there. 3 should be here. 4 goes there. 3 to 4, we have 4 now, no 4 there. 4 should be here, the 3 goes there. Mark those two boxes under the 3, we have a 3 now, so this box can be 3 anymore. That box will be a 3. 2 numbers left. 4 numbers 4 to 5. 4 to 5. We have 5 there. No 5 there. 5 should be here. 4 goes there. And the final 2 numbers 2 to 3. We have 3 now. No 3 there. 3 should be here. 2 goes there. Finish in 17 minutes. Wow. We solve it again. We solve it again. Well, not quite a 1 star. It's not a 4 stars, not a 3 stars. Let me give this 2 stars. I'm faster than 20 minutes, but not faster than 50 minutes. Otherwise, it will be a 1 star. Puzzle. But we solved it again. We solved it again. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. If you think so, thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it all solved by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you tomorrow. So have a great and fantastic Monday. Until then, bye bye for now.